Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data and access. Backup photos, contacts, and any app-specific saves to cloud or PC so you don't lose work. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 50% or keep the phone charging to avoid interruption. Now unlock the device and open settings. This direct step prevents accidental lockouts later. You need your Google account email and password and the device PIN, because resetting settings or factory clearing often requires re-verification to protect your data. You navigate to Settings and locate System or General Management, then choose Reset options. OEM labels differ, so scan for Reset. Select the specific reset you want: reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth to clear networks, or reset app preferences to restore app defaults without erasing user files. Once you select, the device will ask for your PIN or password. This step ensures you authorize the change. Read the warnings carefully to understand what changes and what stays, then confirm to start the reset process. You finish by rebooting and signing back into your Google account to restore settings and sync data. Make sure Restore Settings or Automatic Restore is enabled so apps and preferences return. If some settings remain stubborn, boot into Safe Mode and clear the settings app cache or perform the targeted reset again. If the device is factory reset protected and asks for an old account, you must use the original Google credentials or contact the manufacturer for locked device support. This prevents unauthorized access and protects your privacy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.